Solve 4x cube minus 31x minus 15 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x term. What I mean is, see, 4x cube in place of minus 31x. Now I write minus 1x minus 30x minus 15 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is x. From this x out you get 4x square minus from this x out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 15. So here we get 2x and here we get plus 1 equal to 0. Now this quadratic I will simplify it here. That is 4x square minus 1 equal to 4 I write as 2 square x square minus 1. 2 square x square is nothing but 2x whole square, and on 1 even if I put square it doesn't matter. Now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a we have 2x, in place of b 1. So we get 2x minus 1 times 2x plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic we write this over here. So this equation becomes x times 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1, this no change. Next, from this equation, what can be taken out common is 2x plus 1. So 2x plus 1 outside. Over here we are left with these two, that is x times 2x minus 1, and over here we are left with minus 15 equal to 0. Now 2x plus 1. Now you open up the brackets. You get 2x square minus x minus 15 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will factorize it here. That is 2x square minus x minus 15. To factorize this, we should split the middle term minus 1x. So in place of minus 1x, now I write minus 6x plus 5x minus 15. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. From this 2x out you get x minus from this 2x out you get 3. Now whatever we got here, here also we should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside we get plus 5. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x minus 3 common. So here we have 2x and here plus 5. Now in place of this quadratic we should write this over here. So this equation becomes 2x plus 1, x minus 3, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. More. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 2x plus 1 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, I should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. you get 2x equal to minus 1. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here I should remove minus 3, so add 3. You get x equal to 3. Now here I should remove plus 5, so subtract 5. You get 2x equal to minus 5. Now I should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 5 by 2. So the x values that we got are minus 1 by 2, 3 and minus 5 by 2. This is our answer.